Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka kena school juga St. Margaret Higher Secondary School Shillong, kabuan hakakedan ke Nyngkong haka secondary school living certificate ke Leisha Agarwal, kelapan pau juga sko Kyndit Marsien bakawan Nyngkong haka nege exam matric. Haka jingkran link ba ke video ke berapa ke Leisha kalau ong ba ke ai kublai ikino hikai ke St. Margaret kino hikai tuition jangka ke bela treshi tom menyelam lenti ka hadu bakana poi syaka ni katong. Kalau ai jingmut ikiwe part ki kinna ki bendang ya konya ki exam nang ni syakman bah ba ki le exam kim de benting de ben plate jingmut kumnu bakin sko tho haka bor sko tho jangki om maju puli lindat ba ya ka kon ba kim de ru ban pen kya jingmut jing perkhat yala de.
A very good morning to all. Myself, Leisha Agarwal, and I am from St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, and I'm very happy to announce that I've got the first rank, first position in the MBOS merit list 2025, and it is a very overwhelming moment for me. I mean, I'm still in shock. I couldn't believe my eyes when I, submitted my roll number and saw my results. It was a really, shocking moment for me. I was like, it's me who got 97. So I told my mom, and we both were just like in surprise for like a moment or two. We were like, is this really, because since I entered class 10, I always visioned myself that next year I will be giving the exam, and one day the results will come and I'll see myself in the MBOS top 20, and that dream coming true is it's something very overwhelming. Even right now, I have been just like tears shown from my eyes from that time, and I'm like, control, this is happening for real. I was telling myself, my heart, my brain is like, this is true. And I want to give all my thanks to my teachers, be it my school teachers and my tuition teachers, because without their support this would never be possible. And even my family, they have supported me through my dark times. I am a very nervous person, so they were there for me, telling me that everything will be fine. All thanks to everyone who were there for me in this journey. It's not a journey of my own, it is a journey of my school teachers, my tuition teachers, me, my friends, my family. So all thanks to them and St. Margaret's. Thank you is not enough for that, how much that school has given me. And the teachers, their teaching, not only in school, they have taught me everything. So all thanks to St. Margaret's, because this wouldn't be possible without them, without the teachers, without our principal. So all thanks to them. I'm really, really grateful, and I'm really overwhelmed right now. It's a dream come true, and I'm really, really happy. Thank you, everyone. And I just want to say, if you vision something, put all your hard work, be concentrated, then you can also achieve. That is my advice to the upcoming batches. You don't need to be scared, you don't need to be nervous. Just take it easy, go with the flow, just be consistent. Consistency is the key, as they always say. So I'll just say that participate in everything. Don't forget extracurricular activities. That is also extremely important. But be consistent, and that is the only way. Take your studies, don't take it as a hectic duty you have to perform. Please just be happy, do whatever you do in a happy way, study nicely, gain knowledge. Don't just memorize things. And yeah, that is the only thing. Thank you so much, everyone, for your support, for your everything. And I'm really grateful to St. Margaret's, the teachers, my tuition teachers, who really helped me through this journey. Thank you, everyone.
I'm very overwhelmed and very happy. I am happy that I could make the school and my parents proud. I'll say, first of all, to be honest and trust God. Like for example, if you're studying for 2 hours, you need to dedicate those 2 hours without distractions, without anything, and fully concentrate. Those 2 hours are very valuable. And as the days proceed near the exam, you have to increase your hours without distractions though. For the next academic section and for other students, I'll just say, to be honest, trust in God, because without God's help, we are nothing actually. So we just need to trust ourselves, trust God, and focus on our studies dedicatedly without distractions. through these years. Any doubt, they are always there to help. If I have any problem, the sister principal is always there to help. So I think the school community has helped me and many of my classmates, and will always help. So this is a very good environment that every school should create.
First of all, I am grateful to God for the good result that we received. And we had 106 of them who appeared for exams, and all of them passed. And we have good news this year, that is, 7 of them got rank. So it's the first time it looks like. And we have highest in English, math, science, health education, and additional English. So overall, it's the best result that we have.
So, sister, tell us what message do you appeal for this next MBO's election exam?
Yeah, only hard work matters. So there is no substitute to hard work. They really need to work hard. This girl who got first rank, Leisha Agarwal, she was really hardworking girl. And not only in studies, she used to participate in dances, debate, and other activities. And she was very active in the school. So you need to have a wider perspective of things and just not stick to books alone, but participate in many things like many other co-curricular activities. Yeah.